Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. So today I would like to show you how to install CodeBlock software to your computer. First, go to your classroom, Google Classroom, and then click the installer. Now you can download. So make sure you download. Okay. So once you download, you already have your installer here in your download folder. So just double click and then select yes. Okay. Then click next, agree, next. So make sure it will appear in program file. Okay. Then click install. Then we wait. Do you want to run CodeBlock now? Not yet. Just click next and then finish. So when finish, the icon will be appear on your screen. To open it, just click, double click. Then it will open. That's all. Thank you.